Go on YouTube, no worries.
Then we all go to the car. Oh, we were in wardrobe.
Well, I didn't hear this part.
Oh, keep going, Delia.
You said you weren't gonna say anything.
Keep going, Delia. Come on, keep going.
No, you already started it.
started.
You already
Yeah,
started it.
wardrobe. I'm kind of interested in
She
this.
promised me she wasn't gonna say anything.
Nothing. Fuck. I just cut my
What happened?
leg.
No, you did not.
We went
You
to
have start.
wardrobe. There were some bitches in there. I don't know what they were doing. It looked like they were smoking. So I was like, ew. And so we just walked out high. That's all. Anyways, after wardrobe, that's what it was.
She's just like, there's more to it. Tell me.
Seriously.
I must know.
Okay. So when we come out of wardrobe, we're like, blah, 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 blah. And then she's on the phone with her mom calling her a bitch. Alright?
Bitch.
Hey,
She called me a bitch first.
First.
it's okay because it's mutual.
No, because
So
she said
after-
fuck you, so I had to say it back.
That's true. I would have said the same thing. Like, since my mom was nice, I was nice. But she was like, come home. No, bitch.
No, bitch.
No. Okay, and then, so we're like, what are we going to do until Kevin comes out, you know, blah, blah, blah. So, like, okay, we were going to go to Chuck E. Cheese and then the movies, but what the fuck? No, you know? So we're
Sorry.
like, let's go Coney. And they're like, Stephanie and Ingrid's like, what's Coney?
What's coning? I'm sorry, what's coning?
Hold on. We
You know
should
what
have
Coney is?
videotaped it. Okay, so we go to McDonald's. They didn't know what Coney was.
Alright, so
Hold on.
Coney is
What the
the...
hell? Hold on, let me finish.
Let me be the video camera person.
I
can't move
It's
on
gonna be
without.
all audio on
I
YouTube.
know. So after we go to McDonald's and we buy the ice cream, we're like, hey, let me get an ice cream. And the lady's like, anything else? And Brandon's like, what do you guys want? You guys want anything? I'm like, no, bitch, we just came for ice cream.
Yeah, it's the illusion.
I know, the illusion. So then we go and we're waiting, and then we get to the window and the ice cream's coming out and we're like,